Welcome to E-Prime. The World Reggae Dance Championships held at the National Stadium was part of the Jamaica 55 Independence celebrations. Dance groups represented in various categories, including roots reggae, dancehall, and dance narrative.
Revolver, revolver, watch it, revolver, revolver. Aleto, Mosaya. Next shot. Give this game, away there. No, let on the bro.
The competition was introduced in 2006 to give national and international recognition to talent that exists in reggae roots dance and continues to receive tremendous support.
This is the happy moment. Yeah, this is the happy moment. Watch your wire.
Exclusive is a fighter, and we believe in winning. And we've been doing it for a long time, and we said this year we're going to bring the right concept. We're going to take the right thing that portrays Jamaican culture, dancehall, reggae, and you see it tonight, and we reign. So give thanks.
When I get this group, I said, okay, let's work with the Miss Lou concept. You understand? Let's grab the crowd attention with the Miss Lou concept, and then we just use like an evolution of dance, come straight up. You understand?
So we are very happy and very excited, and we appreciate your culture, and we are very grateful for the forward that we got from the audience, from the judges, and from everybody here.
Sizzla Kalonji fans, get ready. His new album titled I'm Yours will be released on August 11. The project, produced by John FX, consists of 11 tracks with features from Ghanaian singer Stonebwoy and award-winning singer Ms. V. Sizzla's I Am Yours is currently available for pre-order on iTunes and Amazon. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Blessings.